Hi guys, welcome back. See, September month 2021 Aries horoscope. Is going to bring all the sorts of new beginnings. Aries, in case you ever too much answering to your friends, invitation to parties, then expect to hit some walls. When it comes to love and emotions, the stars are keeping thing lights, allowing you feelings to grow. As usual, the school year is going to bring a new life. In case some of your relationship are not evolving in the fast manner you are planning for, don't feel too stressed. Other people need to be given the chance to know you better. It would be pointless to rush things. Coming to main things in September, as an Aries, you are possesses tremendous inner wealth. As you are going to start this month feeling enthusiastic and optimistic, the stars are going to help you manage your own feelings in a way that benefits to you, which means you will able to identify what you are feeling. Each and every morning, you are going to wake up wanting, evolve, and innovate too. September is going to be a month of illumination. I'm sorry, and personal growth. One is which your close ones will learn a lot from you. As far as your work goes, Aries are going to receive the rewards for their efforts during September last 2 weeks. More than this, the projects they have on hold will materialize, but only if they are using their creativity and power of negotiation. The results were hoping for when you making efforts will not cease to appear. On the other hand, these natives are going to face a very important situation when it comes to their romantic future. Is very likely they will need to determine if their partner has true feelings of love for them or not. Coming to main thing, love horoscope for September. Mars is going to enter that seventh house of the Pisces in August 18, which is going to form a stellium, also known as accumulation of planets. Here, they will bring Venus on August 21st and Sun on the August 23. Juno in August 23rd and the planet Mercury on August 29 into the spotlight. The configuration is going to be active until the 13th September. Not to mention that for the time being of the new moon in Virgo, then 7th house of Pisces and August 13. And the moon will present here as well. There is also Jupiter entering the 10th house of Pisces precisely on August 11th, which promotes rebuilding the relationship, the paternal figure of the redefine the concepts of authority and power. The North Node's presence in the fifth house of the Pisces has single Aries encountering with people who are important for their evaluation, which is and like an asteroid entering the 11th house in August 4 promotes the romantic situation academic environments while traveling other people from the different cultures than the natives. Coming to the financial life and horror career life for Aries horoscope. Aries who are planning to get another job need to think thoroughly about their decision, especially since their prospects are not the best. They need to avoid their being impulsive, because if they make a mistake, it will be very difficult to fix it, and they will have regrets in case they need to start a some business, sign contracts or take care of the paperwork. They need to do it until 22nd, as from the day this day on until October 7th. They will have two things being more complicated in this area. As a result of the Mercury's position, what they need to do is September is focus on creative projects. You will make a lot of money during the time period. You won't only have a very good financial situation for yourself. You will also be also able to help to others, invest or with some finances. Be generous because the universe will greatly reward you. This month is also good for repaying debts, closing, mortgages and organizing money. Both you and your partner will earn extremely well. If you want to invest, go ahead and do it. And you, as you possess a very powerful institution, the your well-being this month. As usually, Aries will have a lot of energy in September too. This is why they should, as much as possible, to do physical activities that will channel their strength and vitality. Playing sports or doing some gymnastics can increase their spirits and make them feel very good. Not to mention, it helps them keep their aggressiveness in check. Aries who will avoid being physically this month may experience problems with their nervous system. So exercising is of utmost importance for them. So this is about for today. Thanks so much. I need your good subscription. Bye.